how to back up data in Telegram and transfer data to another device. So if you want to back up data in Telegram and transfer the data to another device, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Telegram, make sure that you have an internet connection. After opening your Telegram, you need to go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on your settings. Once you're under your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to go with data and storage. Under data and storage, you will have your storage usage. So you can tap on the storage usage, and here you will have all of the storage. And here you need to go with private chats and then group chats, channels, stories. You need to make sure that you've backed up everything. Once you've backed up your storage, once you've saved all of that to your gallery, make sure that these options are turned on. Make sure that you have a backup. After backing up your data, you can go with your new phone, and on your new phone, you can go with the login process. You can enter the mobile number, make sure that you have the SIM to receive the code. And after entering your login credentials on your new phone, you'll be able to transfer your data to another device. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.